Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have this beautiful 2026 Bennington 23R SB with the dual console, wraparound windshield, and the power cladded arch. This thing is beautiful. It's in the sunset red color, which you can't really see it right now because the shadow of the sun, but in the sun this color pops, especially with this Blackout Luxe package. We've got the black rub rail, we've got our stainless steel cleats. This boat is a tritoon with the ESP package. So we've got our performance package on the tunes. Let's walk around to the back and we can check out some more. Hey guys, we're standing here at the stern of the 23 RSB. We've got our massive Mercury 300 V8 hung on the back of this thing, extended aft deck, lily pad ladder, makes it super easy to get in and out of the boat when you're swimming. We've got our swing back here, so we've got the rear firing speakers. We've got our ski pylon that's removable, goes here on center line. Let's hop up in here and we can take a look at some more. Hey guys, we're on board the 23 RSB. As you can see here in the front, we have our forward chase lounges. This is in the Modesto brown color. We've got our espresso accents. Very, very, very beautiful interior. I love this color. We've got our flip down armrest, a phone charger here. We've got our adjustable headrests as well. And then our removable cup holder armrest that can go anywhere up here in the boat. As we move back to the helm, you can see we've got our dual consoles. Here on the starboard side, we have our 12-inch Vivid UX display for all of your gauges and your running stats. Got our 7-inch Vivid UX for all of your switching and accessories. We've also got our Simrad here. That's a chart plotter, fish finder. Gives you all your GPS and all that you need out there on the water. We've got our tilt steering wheel. We've got our Mercury digital throttle, active trim. Over here, we have a nice little charging port for your phone. Lots of cup holders. As we move over here to the port side, you can see we have this very spacious console. Lots of room up here on this tabletop. Little cubbies throughout to store your stuff while you're out there on the water. Lots of storage under both sides here. Moving back, you can see this boat is equipped with Rockford Fosgate audio. We've got some speakers up here in the power cladded arch. We've also got other speakers staggered throughout the boat. As we move back, we've got our deluxe swing back here. Super nice to be able to lounge facing rearward, or you can take this face forward, or you can stow this completely away down here and flip up your backrest and face forwards this way and lounge forward. We also have our additional Rockford Fosgate stereo head unit right here in the back, so that way you can control your music whenever you're hanging out back here in the back of the boat. Once again, this is a power cladded arch. This boat also has some RGB lighting within the boat and also at the back of the tunes in the water. Guys, if you want to come check this thing out or you have any questions, like to see it in person, stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.